This conference will now be recorded.
In the last session, what we were talking? We were talking about sales process, in short, FIST integration. Everybody went through these processes, purchasing
Yes, sir.
process, sales process. You had an idea, right? How FI is getting
Right.
integrated, ST is getting integrated, sales accounting entry, purchase accounting entry.
Yeah.
Okay. Next thing we will talk about payments made and received in the business. When we talk about payments made, payments received in the business, we talked about two processes before. One is purchase, another one is a sale. First one, if I talk about purchases, and if we talk about sales. In purchases, payments are made or payments are received.
Payments made.
Similarly, in sales,
Payments received.
okay, here payments made by the company. Here payments received by the company. Are these two correct? Any corrections required, or these two points are correct from business point of view?
Correct.
It is correct.
Okay. Now, when you are making the payments, to whom you will pay?
Customer.
Vendor. It says vendor.
Vendor.
We pay to
Vendor.
vendors or suppliers.
Yeah.
Now here
Custom.
we receive from
Customers.
customers. Okay. Payments you will make to vendor and payments you will receive from customer. Next thing, we will pay by cash or bank. Similarly, we will receive same. Is this correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you're talking about payment, you're talking about you may be making a payment through cash or through bank. On the other side, you will be receiving a payment either with cash or with a bank. Both are possible.
Yes, sir.
Now, all payments and receipts are subject to verification or reconciliation. Is this also correct? Whatever payments you made, whatever payments you received, are these subject to reconciliation or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If we make any cash transaction, we need to make cash reconciliation.
Right.
If you make any cash transaction, cash reconciliation is required. Cash reconciliation is performed every day, every week, or every month. What frequency is required for cash?
Every day.
Every day.
Okay. Cash balances must be reconciled on a daily basis. Okay. Next thing, if we make any bank transactions, what we need to do? What reconciliation?
BR,
Statement.
bank statement.
Bank reconciliation.
State.
In bracket, can we put BRS?
Yes.
Okay. Bank balances, BRS must be reconciled on a daily basis or weekly basis or monthly basis. Is this right?
Yes, sir.
Maximum on a monthly basis it must be done, or you can do it on a weekly basis, twice in a week or once in a week or once in a day. Anything is possible. In short, any entry that you're recording related to payment or related to receipt, this payment reconciliation, receipt reconciliation is mandatory or it is optional?
It's mandatory.
This is mandatory in any business, in any company. Even if you do any transaction, let's say you're making your fee to me through PhonePe. You will pay and then you will leave it, or you will verify whether it is received by me or not.
We will verify.
Right? You will verify whether I received it or not, just to ensure you paid it to the right person and the person received the money. If I say I gave you some amount, you will verify, or you will just look at the message, you will just listen to the statement, yes, I paid, and you will say it is okay. You will go and verify or not bank balance?
We will.
Right? You will verify. The way you verify, the way I verify, in the similar way, company also will do the verification. For you, for me, it is optional, but for company, it is mandatory. Whenever you see
Yes.
anybody sitting on the cash counter, whenever you see anybody responsible for the cash, they frequently count the cash. Anybody noticed?
Yes, sir.
If you look at bus conductors, you would have noticed every frequently they will start counting the money and they will write
Yes, sir.
down 10 o'clock, this is the balance, 11 o'clock, this is the balance. Because if anything goes wrong, if any mismatch happens, who is responsible for the missing cash? Cashier,
Right.
right? Cashier is the responsible. Now, any kind of a mistake might happen, right? While making payment or while receiving the payment. What if I gave you a fake note? I gave you some 1,000 rupees fake notes. Who is responsible for this 1,000 rupees?
Cashier.
Cashier is responsible. Cashier will have to take care, or he or she will have to take this loss on their pocket because it will be deducted from their salary.
Right.
If I am a cashier, let's say I have to pay you, you gave me 100 rupees, I have to give you 70 rupees back. 30 rupees I need to collect, 70 rupees I need to return it back when you give 100 rupees. By mistakenly, I would have taken 250 rupee notes. I did not notice. Possible?
Yes, sir.
Possible or not? I counted 150 rupee note to 10 rupee note. But by mistakenly 50 rupee note also too, but I oversighted it. I could not figure it out. This 50 rupees, whatever is paid additionally, whose responsibility is? Who should be
Yes.
responsible for this?
Cashier
Cashier.
only.
Cashier. If cashier tells sorry by mistakenly I gave, is it okay?
No, not okay.
No.
Not okay, right? If I say that okay, I don't know what happened, I don't know, nobody took, not okay, right? Every cash counter you will put CC cameras.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next time when you go any place, wherever you find cash counters, observe the surroundings. Whether there is a CCTV camera, Anybody is coming and sitting in the cash counter, or there is a dedicated fixed person,
Fixed person will sit in the cash counter.
right? In the cash counter, fixed person will sit. Receptionist might be changing, any other person will change, but cashier, if there is no cashier, no cash transaction will happen because others are not authorized to receive the money. Meaning everybody is doing this cash payment, either making payment or receiving the payment with discipline.
Yes, sir.
You take small company, you take big company, everywhere the discipline is followed. Reason, there are high chances of risk. So nobody wants to take this risk because one person should be held responsible for this. Okay. Now this cash balances must be reconciled on a daily basis. If I'm doing the reconciliation, I need to make sure, if I'm talking about reconciliation, in the reconciliation, I have to take opening balance. Let's say some value I will take. Then I will add amount received, then I will less amount paid, then I will arrive at what balance?
Net
Closing balance.
Balance.
Closing balance. Then I'll get closing balance. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
If I say my opening balance is somewhere around 80,000. Now, whenever you're writing a number, should I just write the number or write the number in the accounting format?
In accounting format.
Right? I should strictly write number in the accounting format, and I need to ensure plus a sign, minus a sign, debit, credit indicator is strictly given. Otherwise, nobody calls it as accounting, and you are not writing any number in accounting. Forget about FICO. If I simply write 80,000 like this, as long as I have clarity what I am doing, it is okay. If not, this is not correct. Though both are 80,000, I will tell this is not correct. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Because this is not giving me any indication. Whether it is received, paid, debit, credit, no indication because this is not in the accounting format. Close this. This is 80,000 opening balance. Any amount that you receive, positive balance or negative balance?
Positive balance.
balance.
Positive balance. Let's say I received somewhere around 30,000. Any amount that I pay,
Negative balance.
Balance.
let's say I paid around 18,000. Negative balance. Closing balance, opening balance plus amount received minus amount paid. If I put my amounts in the accounting format, I don't need to do anything. Simply I can do a total of it. Yes
Yes,
or
sir.
no? If I put numbers in
Yes.
accounting format, I can simply do a total. I will get my closing balance. What is closing balance?
92,000.
92,000.
92,000. This is
Plus
my
92.
reconciliation. This is my reconciliation. Now, is this the same format for cash reconciliation, for bank reconciliation, or there is any different format for cash and bank?
Accounting format will be same, but we do the reconciliation between a bank statement along with the GL if it in
Yeah.
BRS.
From the opening balance, closing balance identification point of view, plus minus, is it the same applicable for bank as well?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? Same thing we can apply for cash balances. Same thing we can also apply for bank balances. In short, anything that you're reconciling with respect to cash account or bank account, remember the format. Okay. Now, cash account we said daily reconciliation. Bank account can be daily, weekly, monthly maximum.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's write cash balances are part of P&L, correct? Is this correct?
No,
If
sir.
I write cash balances are part of P&L,
No, no, sir. As
Balance sheet item.
balance
cash
sheet.
balances are part of balance sheet. Similarly, bank balances are part of balance sheet only.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And for cash balances, single GL for each cash account. How many GLs?
Single.
Single GL for each cash account you will be using. When it comes to bank balances, you have multiple GL for each bank account. Are these two statements correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For cash, you will use a single GL account. For bank, we will be using multiple GL account. Which is a straightforward, which is not straightforward.
Cash will be straightforward.
Straightforward. Bank.
Cash balance.
Right? Cash is a straightforward because you're talking about a single GL account. But when it comes to bank account, we are saying bank contains multiple GL account. What are these multiple GL account? Why multiple GL account? We need to understand. Okay, now all cash and bank entries must be posted with below functionalities only. For cash entries, and second one for bank interest. We use cash journal or petty cash.
Yes. Yes, sir.
For bank entries, we use house bank and account ID.
Account ID.
Without these two, you are not supposed to record any entry in cash account, any entry in bank account. Are these two statements clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Don't use any cash account, don't make any cash posting without cash journal. Similarly, don't post any bank entries without house bank account ID concept. Why these are required? Both are required for the bank reconciliation purpose and cash reconciliation purpose. For example, if I say, if we are operating business in 12 locations in India, possible or not?
Possible, sir.
I need 12 cash counters.
Yes, sir.
I need 12 cashiers.
Yes.
Every cashier is responsible for their cash counter or all cash counters.
Their cash counters.
Their cash counter.
Everybody is responsible for their own cash counter. Right? Now, how do I know? If I take the same GL account, let's say cash GL, I am getting entries like 100, 150, 500, 250, 800, 300, 300 or 30, something like this. We are getting entries like this in your cash GL account. If I'm not using separate GL account for each cashier, for each cash counter, is it possible for me to identify which entries I posted, which entries others posted, or it is difficult to trace?
It is difficult.
To do the reconciliation to identify who is posting what, it is not so easy, right? Left and right users are posting and the reconciliation is not possible. Somebody will tell from this location, let's say you have 12 locations, you can say that Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai, something like that. You can take any other, Pune, Delhi, like this. I'm writing only for, let's say my total cash is supposed to be 25,000 or 20,000. Hyderabad is supposed to be 12,000. This is 2,000. This is 3,000. How much it has become? 17. This is, let's say, 1,000. This is again 2,000. 20. If it is matching, it is okay. Am I right? As long
Yes,
as
sir.
my total is reconciled with this, I am okay. What if this is not reconciled? I should have 20,000, but somewhere I'm getting only 19,000. Okay or not okay?
Not okay.
Not.
Not,
And is this easy for you to identify from where the mistake is happening? From which location, from which cash counter difference is coming?
Yes, sir.
no, sir,
If
it's not
everybody is
easy.
using same account.
No, sir.
It's
Not easy,
not easy.
right? You have so many transactions posted across the locations. Everybody is hitting the cash entry to the same GL. Definitely, this will take time consuming for you to identify. Somebody will tell, no, I did not post it. They will tell, no, I did not post it. Because everybody is using the same. There is no control.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
I'm not aware that somebody posted this. No, I don't know that he posted it. I told him to post. I told her to post. These things will come into the picture. Instead, for every location, if I put a dedicated GL account, I will make that person responsible. It is your responsibility to make sure your balance is reconciled at any given point of time. Before the end of your day, before you close your cash, you need to ensure cash is counted, it is reconciled, it is verified by somebody. Two-way verification.
Yes,
If
sir.
I am counting, if it is getting 10,000, even if I count 10,000 times, I will get 10,000 only. But if you count, it may be 9,900 rupees or 10,100. Majority this will happen.
Yes, sir.
Only one note or only one point will go up or will go down, because somewhere we are counting either excess or shortage. Now, anywhere do we count cash manually, or majority you will find this counting machines?
Counting machines.
Counting.
everywhere you will have counting machine, and for any cash that you're talking about, are we supposed to segregate the cash based on the denomination?
Right.
Right?
Yes,
If
sir.
I'm talking about 500, 200, 100, 50, 10, whatsoever, each denomination multiplied by quantity is equal to rate, total value. 500 into 10, 500 into 10 is what? 5,000. Then I will put 5,000
Yes, sir.
rupees is available in the form of 500 rupees. 100 rupees into 10, 1,000 rupees available in the form of 100 rupees. Like that, some denomination must be maintained. Another person has to verify this. They have to sign it. And this activity to take place on a daily basis in any organization.
Yes.
In any organization, this activity takes place on a daily basis. Okay. Now, if I put single GL account, this is not recommended. This is not helpful. Reason, it will not allow you to reconcile properly, identify the differences easily. So what we need to
Yes.
do here, we need to create how many GL accounts?
12.
12
12
based
G.
on the calculation.
12.
12 cash GLs. We need to create 12 cash journals. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have to create 12 cash GLs. You also have to create 12 cash journal, so that each cashier is responsible for individual or their own cash journal. If I am authorized to post entries in Hyderabad cash, I cannot post any entries to Mumbai cash, because
Yes, sir.
any
Yes.
cash transaction is a physical transaction, not a digital transaction. Can I scan 500 rupee note and give it to you? Will you accept? Color Xerox 500 copy on phone pay, sorry, on WhatsApp. If I send you digital 500 rupee note, I will take a photo and then I'll send it to you. Will you accept or not?
No.
No,
Because
sir.
cash is not accepted in digital, cash is only accepted physical.
Yes.
Yes.
I am not authorized to record other cash counter transaction. Reason, I have to physically receive the cash in my hand. Only then I will account it. Is this true?
Yes, sir.
If I'm sitting in, let's say, Hyderabad, is it possible for me to collect the cash from Mumbai?
No, sir.
Either I have to sit in the Hyderabad cash counter or I need to take a transfer, go to Mumbai cash counter. I cannot do both. Unless I see, unless I verify, I should not enter any cash receipt, any cash payment in the system. Okay. Now, these points are clear with respect to cash, only the small one-liners.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's say, if you're talking about bank entries. Now, every company will have a single bank account or multiple bank accounts.
Multiple bank.
Multiple bank accounts.
Every company will have multiple bank accounts. Companies will open savings account or salary account.
Both.
Corporate.
Not both, it's current account.
Okay.
Current.
Company will not use salary account, company will not use a savings account. Whatever a company is using, it is called as the current account.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, your savings account, your personal account, your salary account is used by individual. If you are a corporate, if you are a company, you must use a current account. Is this right?
Yes, correct.
Every company will use current account. Now, there is no rule that one company should use only one account, because company is not submitting Aadhaar card, PAN card, right? If you submit Aadhaar card, PAN card, you and I can also take multiple bank accounts.
Yes, sir.
Is this possible for an individual to take multiple bank accounts or not?
Yes, we can take.
Yes, sir.
This is easily possible, right? As long as you're producing the supporting documentation, it is okay. Now, every company will use multiple bank accounts and company will operate current account. Next one. For a company to do BRS, we must follow below concept for bank GLs. Okay, that is your bank main account, bank sub account,
Yes, sir.
we have to create which two GL accounts? Bank main account and then bank sub account. Bank main account, we post to this GL only during BRS. Meaning whenever you are performing a bank reconciliation, only at that time we post bank main account.
Yes, sir.
And we post to this GL account during any payment made or received. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
When you make any payment, when you receive any payment, you will be using a bank sub account. Whenever you reconcile the payment, whenever you reconcile the statement, at that time you will be using the bank main account. Clear these two lines?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. So you're going to transfer from sub account to main account when you say
Yeah, it will be transferred.
it will be
That is
transferred.
the BRS process. Okay.
Like the opening balance, something in those terms?
Yeah, same.
Okay. Okay.
Above we put one liner, right? Opening balance, add receipt, minus payment and all, same thing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, while creating bank GLs, we must ensure house bank and account ID is also created. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
While creating any bank GL account, you need to also ensure you will be creating house bank account ID. Reason, without house bank, without account ID, we cannot create any bank transaction.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you
Bank,
please differentiate here the bank GL and house bank and account ID? I'm thinking all of are having a GL number.
I'll write down below. Okay.
Okay.
Now, whenever you're creating any bank GL, for example, we have created, not we've created, let's say we have opened new current account in HDFC Bank. Possible or not?
Possible, sir.
Possible.
Yes, sir.
This is possible. This is possible. to bring this HDFC Bank account into SAP. We need below details. Can you just like that create an account? If I tell you, I took a new SIM card, whatever I'm trying to say, understood or not? I'm telling that I took a new SIM card. If I take a new SIM card, what I will get?
Mobile
A
number.
number, sir.
New number or old number?
New number.
New number. If I take a new SIM card, do I need to tell you my new number or not required?
Required.
Required, sir.
If I take a new SIM card, I have to tell you this is my new SIM card and this is my number. Please note down. Only when I tell you the new number, you can make a transaction with me. You can make a phone call conversation with me. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If I tell I took a new SIM card, I don't give my number, then what is the use of I am taking a SIM card? Why I am telling to you? No use, right? For you? You have nothing to do with it. If I tell this is my new SIM card, please note down my number. This is my number. Either I have to tell my number or I have to give you a missed call or I have to send you a message. Then only you can save my number.
Yes.
Now, if somebody is telling, your client is telling, your accountant is telling, your user is telling, we opened a new current account. Do you tell congratulations, where is the sweet?
No.
No, sir.
You need the account details or not?
Yeah.
You will ask,
Yes,
where
sir.
did you open the bank account? I will tell, I opened a bank account in HDFC Bank. Is there only one HDFC Bank in India?
No, multiple branches.
Is there only one or there are multiple?
Multiple.
Multiple.
There are
sir.
multiple. Let's say, I will tell HDFC Bank current account. First thing, this is okay, understood. Now, for me to set it up in SAP, for me to set this up in the system, I need some additional details of it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Code number.
First thing, I need to know bank name is required. I got to know what is bank name. What is the bank name?
This
HDFC.
company.
See.
HD.
HDFC
Bank.
Bank. Now, I also need branch name.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Some branch name I have to give, right? For example, High Tech City branch, something like that. I cannot say Hyderabad branch. Can I say Hyderabad branch?
No.
No, sir.
Everybody is aware. If I cannot say I'm using a HDFC Bank account in Bangalore branch. There are hundreds of branches in Bangalore. Which branch exactly it is? Do I need the right accurate information or approximate details are okay?
Accurate information is needed.
Accurate information is required. Only then you can do it. Otherwise, it's of no use. Then what I need? Branch name.
AFSC
I
code.
also need.
IFSC code.
Branch address is also required.
Yes, sir.
Something like High Tech City, Hyderabad, something like that. You need the details. Now I need account number.
Yes, sir.
Some account number is required. Then every bank account
AFSC.
can contain any currency or every bank account is limited to a single currency.
It contains multiple currencies.
When you receive the bank statement, you will receive the bank statement in multiple currencies or a single currency.
Single currency.
Single currency.
You can do transaction in any currency, that is allowed. But your bank account is always in single currency.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you able to find out opening balance, closing balance, available balance in your bank, or you are not able to find out?
We can see opening balances.
No, in your bank account, even if you go, is this possible for you to find out what is your closing balance as of today or available balance as on today?
Yes, we can.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Right? Now, is this giving a single currency every time, like balance in INR, balance in dollar, or it is giving 2, 3 number? Dollar is this much, INR is this much, euro is this much.
Single
Only
currency.
one.
Only single currency it will give because every bank account is strictly operated in a single currency. Who is this? Somebody who is turned on your mic, please go on mute. Okay. Every account will strictly contain a single currency. My account may be operated in INR or in dollar or in any other currency possible.
Possible.
I can do transaction in any currency. If I'm doing any transaction in cross currency, or maybe my account is INR, I deposited a dollar. Bank will convert dollar into my account currency INR and then add it to my account. Yes, no?
Yes.
Convert currency.
Right? They will convert, basically exchange, and then they will
Suppose
give the effect.
suppose one company doing the business and export import like this. For this case, what company do? See,
They will open a
if we
forex account. They'll open a dollar account. They'll open
dollar
a euro account. Whatever the currencies that they're making a payment, they will operate a dollar account or they will operate the other account also.
means one is for INR and second for forex
Dollar,
forex.
yeah, forex account. Okay. Let's say this is what I got. Any other information you require from the bank point of view? I also need account holder
Sir,
name.
sir, as
Bank.
like we if whatever the currency we do, we send to bank, it will convert into its local currency, right? The same way, is it
Account
possible
currency.
for bank? I mean, account currency. Is it
Correct.
possible for the bank to make the payment to other currencies as well? What even if it is a INR is its account currency, can it
It will
make a
do.
payment by converting into USD?
It will pay, but it will make additional charges to you. They will charge additionally to you, and then you will lose this conversion rate. Buying rate, selling rate are different. Currency buying,
Okay.
currency selling, and translation, your transaction
Mm,
charges are all also included.
yes.
Yes.
Due to which we used to open different accounts for the required currency. Is it right,
Correct.
sir?
Correct.
Oh,
Okay. Now you also need IFSC code. IFSC code is used only in selected countries. In other countries, there may not be one. This is one with which you are identifying the bank branch or bank name.
Yes. No.
Branch.
Bank branch. For example, I
branch.
will write maybe HDFC 12345 6. Now remember, this bank details, whatever you tell, whatever I tell, is it of my choice? Is it of your choice? Or this is a legal information, official information.
Legal.
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 Right? I cannot ask bank that my account number is so long, please make it short, only 4 digit. Bank will give you 4 digit account number.
No.
No.
no, sir.
No, right? Now IFSC code, no, everybody is using same. You create a fancy different IFSC code for me. Bank will create it for you.
No.
No.
No,
There
sir.
are certain things which we have to follow as it is. No questions asked. As simple as like your mobile number is 10 digit. Difficult for me to tell my own mobile number. Difficult for me to remember my own mobile number. I wanted to reduce my mobile number to only 3 digits. 111, 222, 333. Possible?
No person.
Not possible because this is based on some logic, not in your hand and not in my hand. Whether you like, you don't like, you have to follow this. 10-digit mobile number is what you'll have to use, and you have to use 10-digit. And that is where when you tell a mobile number to a person who is not well educated, they literally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10. Anybody noticed?
Yes, sir.
But when I tell my mobile number, when you tell your mobile number, I blindly save it, you blindly save it. Maybe I saved only 9-digit, you saved only 9-digit. I cannot transact, I cannot communicate, you also cannot communicate. Possible?
Possible.
Because we
Yes,
are
sir.
overlooking at the number, we are not counting. Meaning, any point that you're writing, anything that you're looking at, noting down, especially in your project. As a FICO consultant, you have to be double careful. The way literally a person who is not well educated is counting a mobile number, 10-digit is there or not, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 10, you also count it. Don't think that he told me, client told me, user told me. Tomorrow they will tell, I told correct only, you did not write correctly. So you cannot get into an argumental mode. You cannot fight with the user, right? You're wrong, I am wrong. Yes, no?
Yes.
So it is always
Yes.
better you are conscious, you are careful. This is not your user, this is not my user. I am not a user, you are not a user. One of you is a consultant, one of you is a user. Am I right? Meaning we both are counterparts. Opposite, not same. Let's say I am from a company who is an end user, you are from a company who is a consultant. Can we both be in sync all the time? When something goes wrong, do I take the blame or I will put the blame?
Put
When
the blame.
something goes wrong, I'll definitely put the blame that I have already informed you, this information is already shared. Anybody saw such kind of emails? This is already delayed. Words look simple, but they're all kind of things that they're saying that this is not completed yet. Okay. Now here IFSC code is there. All this bank information or legal information. If you look at any information, these are country specific. Length of bank account number in India, length of bank key in India may be different in another country.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Number of digits in a bank account in India, number of digits in a bank account in some other country may be different. Some country bank IFSC code may be like this. In some other country, if you tell IFSC code, they will ask, what do you mean by this? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes,
Somebody
sir.
will tell bank identification code. Somebody will tell bank number. Somebody will tell SWIFT number.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Correct?
Ajay.
Country to country, different points will come into the picture. We need to ensure you are in a position to understand. Blindly don't fix to any one point. You're not in a government company where you will take the retirement in the company. You're working in a SAP world where you may be working for different projects, different countries, different clients. Everything will be dynamic. When I say dynamic, different permutations, combinations will come into the picture. Make sure you're not getting confused. If you ask what is your IFSC code to any other country user, they will ask, what do you mean by IFSC code? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If you go to SAP, nowhere in SAP you will find IFSC code field. Why? Because this is country specific name. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It is.
sir.
It is more
If you go to
IBAN.
SAP screen, if you go to SAP screen, you will not find IFSC code anywhere. Meaning slowly we
Bank
need to
key.
think. Yes, you will find a bank key. Slowly we need to see, okay, this information is what is mentioned in SAP, meaning this is not country specific. This is common for everyone, which is used to identify the bank branch or the bank location where the account is operated. Any other information apart from IFSC code?
I think we are missing a routing number.
Yeah, those at this moment we will skip it. SWIFT number, IBAN number, all these kind of things. Only the key details related to account we will write down. Mandatory information alone. Okay. Account holder name is also required.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is basically something like ABC Private Limited, like this. Agree?
Agree.
Bank company cannot open the account in the name of the CFO, in the name of the owner, right? They have to open the bank account strictly in the name of company.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, when you have all this information, you need to make sure we create with the above details. We will create what?
House bank and account ID.
House bank.
House bank and account ID. House bank and account ID you need to create. House bank is basically bank name and bank address, bank branch. Account ID is actually the account number. If I say house bank, this, I'm talking about this. This is my house bank.
Yes, sir.
This is my house bank.
Yes, sir.
When I say account ID, this is my account ID.
Okay.
Yes, no?
No.
Sir,
No?
branch address will comes under house
Not
bank or account bank?
When you tell this branch name, this includes the address by default. I'm not highlighting every point, only the key points we're highlighting.
Oh,
In detail, we will go once we are on SAP screen. At this moment, we are only trying to know the basic fundamentals of it, so
okay.
that we feel comfortable with at least the basic points. Only to know outlines of what is what. House bank means what? Bank name and bank branch. Account ID is nothing but the actual account number.
Yes.
And for every bank account number, we need to create GL accounts. When I say for every bank account number, we need to create a GL account, or we need to create a GL account. As we said, bank GL accounts are created with what logic? Main account, sub account,
Yeah.
main GL, sub GL. Now, if I say HDFC Bank main account, HDFC Bank sub account, is this correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, I need to make sure my HDFC Bank main account always ends with what?
0.
0.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll put one more. Maximum GL account number can be 10 digits. How many digits? Maximum.
10 digits.
10 digits.
We will use maximum 10 digit account number. No matter whether you use 10 digit, 8 digit, 6 digit, 4 digit, it is okay. But ensure the GL account last digit for any bank main account must end with what?
0.
0.
0. Okay. Now, this GL balance must be same as bank statement balance in the balance sheet. Is this correct?
Sir, here you mean main account means there won't be any account ID in it. Only branch name and I mean address.
No. I will explain.
Sir, in S/4HANA and ECC, both GL maximum length is 10 only, or is there any extension? Is there?
10 only. Okay. Okay. This GL balance must be same as bank statement balance. And we have to show it in the balance sheet. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, whenever you are submitting your balance sheet, is your balance sheet supposed to display available account balance in bank or not required?
Required. It should show.
Required.
In the balance sheet, no matter who is sending the balance sheet, who is preparing the balance sheet, their available balance in bank. Even when you studied your academic, even when you've seen generally, in balance sheet, you would have seen cash in hand, cash at bank. Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This bank balance is nothing but cash available at bank or balance available at bank. Now, whatever the balance that is available in bank, that is what you can deduct, that is what you can withdraw from bank.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ajay.
Okay. Now, same thing you'll have to show it in the balance sheet. When you're showing any balance in the balance sheet, especially bank balance, there must be a supporting document, proof. If I come and then I will tell my bank balance is only 20 rupees, will you believe?
No, sir.
If I say my account
No.
balance is only 20 rupees, will you believe or you will not believe?
No, we'll go and see, verify it.
If I say, I swear, I promise, all these kind of things I'm telling, still you will not believe until you see my bank balance. You will ask me, open your bank account and then show me your statement. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Until I show the statement, no matter whether I tell 20 rupees, whether I tell 20 lakhs, whether I tell 20 crores, whatsoever, you will not believe until I show the proof. Similarly, in any company without proof, nobody will believe your bank balance. Otherwise, I can simply show some 20 crores available balance, and by showing the bank balance, I can get the loans. Yes, no? I can easily manipulate, right? It is in my hand, right? Whatever amount I want, I can show it in my balance sheet. Possible or not? Debit bank account, put whatever amount you want, all lines. But is this actually correct?
No, sir.
If I put any entry in my bank account, if I show in my balance sheet, look at my bank balance is very huge. Nobody will believe. Everybody will ask, where is the statement? Now this bank statement, whatever you're attaching, same balance must be part of your bank main account. Your bank main account balance is reconciled balance with the bank statement. Everybody is aware how to, most of you would have seen the bank statement of your own bank account.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? If you look at the bank statement, it will give you opening balance, it will give you the detailed transaction list, it will also give the closing balance.
Yeah.
Now, whatever closing balance you see on your bank account for any specific period, that closing balance should exactly match with your bank main account GL, including the decimal. If it is 100 rupee 21 paisa, it has to be 100.21 in your balance sheet. No rounding off, nothing. Because everybody is aware there is an audit. Auditor will come and verify the account balances. And to the auditor, you have to show. Without looking at your bank statement, any auditor will confirm the bank balance or no? If any company audit is happening, will auditor look at the bank statement to verify the bank balance, or they will only say okay for any value that you represent?
Verify the bank statement.
They will verify.
That bank statement is mandatory, meaning bank main account is sensitive account. Don't post left and right entries to the bank main account in any company. Nobody will do it, because this is something a reflection of your bank statement balance. If your bank reconciliation is correctly done, bank main account balance will agree with bank statement balance. If there is any problem in the BRS, bank main account will not match. Is this true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, when you talk about bank sub account, these bank sub accounts are of two types, minimum two types. One, I can say HDFC Bank incoming account. This I can use anything, but the only point is last digit I'll have to change it. Similarly, incoming means next will be what?
Outgoing.
Say outgoing account.
Outgoing account. If it is ending with 1, you need to end it with 2, or any number you can swap it also. I don't want incoming 1, I want outgoing 1. Take it outgoing 1, but make sure once you decide you cannot change it. Whatever you decide, it is at the beginning only. That is where most of the time people will ask you, did you work on any implementation project?
Yes, sir.
And if you tell yes, you will get another cross question. Is it end-to-end implementation? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
There are certain points which are finalized, which are freezed at the initial project itself. Later on, you cannot change. If I am following like this, later on, I cannot make the changes to it. Not possible. Because this is the structure, this is the logic. Once it is built, you have to follow this. You cannot change it in between, not possible, because it will have huge data inconsistency, reconciliation problems, reporting problems. Certain things once decided, once finalized, cannot be changed later on. That is why people will ask you whether you are part of any end-to-end implementation project. If you tell yes, they feel that okay, this candidate is aware how to set up the system. If you tell no, for sure you are not aware. All you think is okay, how I have to create a bank account, I need this, I need this. But what information you exactly require from the client, how you will analyze that data, how do you will map the data, and how you will freeze the logics. Today I am 1, tomorrow we are 4. I need that future planning or not? I cannot
Yes.
think about it today, create the system, right? Set up the system. I have to ensure in future if I expand my business, would the logic which I am using, will it be sufficient or not? I have to think. Only when you are experienced, only when you know the things properly, you can think. Otherwise, all we think is, okay, to do it, what is the transaction code? What is the screenshot? Is there any reference video? Is there any reference content? We follow that reference content. We will create it. But are you actually thinking from a business point of view? What logic I am creating? Why I am creating like this? If I do this, will it be beneficial? Is it good practice or not good practice? What is the impact if I do like this on my payment, on my BRS? We are not thinking because we do not know. For us, everything is bits and pieces. Am I correct? When you do practice,
Yes, sir.
majoritarily what we will do, you create house bank, you create bank GL account, you post 1 or 2 entries, you will forget it. You will go to another topic. And one fine day we say that we did everything. Another fine day when somebody is asking, we go blank. Because we are not connecting the points. As long as we are not connecting the points, we will not understand the concept. There are a lot of reasons why people will ask simple questions. If you tell I am part of one end-to-end implementation project, they get a positive opinion on you. If you tell no, they'll not get any positive opinion. Just because you are telling no, though you are honest, but They're getting a negative opinion. Am I correct? They feel
Yes, sir.
that this candidate is not even confident to say, yes, I worked. I'm not going to come and verify whether you really worked. Show me where is your client, who is your manager and all, right? Nobody will ask. They'll just see if you are able to tell confidently, yes, I am part of the implementation project or no. If you're not confident to say, yes, I am part of the implementation project, that's where you are giving a hint to your confidence to the interviewer. In fact, they are not even interviewers, they are the HRs, right, who are calling you. Are you available for a position? We have an opening in SAP FICO. Yes, no? They are not consultants. Are they HRs or are they consultants who give you a call for your initial screening?
HR.
They are HR. They are the one who will ask you, right? What is your overall experience, relevant experience, how many projects, any end-to-end implementation. To them, if you are not confident, they will not shortlist. Most of the times people will think, I am getting calls, but interview is not getting scheduled. Anybody faced this? Anybody heard this? People will receive the interview calls, but interview will not be scheduled because your profile is not shortlisted. Why? On that 1-2 minutes initial discussion with the HR, you are not confident. Why not confident? Because we do not know so many things. So these situations you have to avoid it permanently. There's no point you get these points in your mind. No matter who is asking, be sure that you are confident. And whatever you tell is what is happening in the market. That's it. No more second thought, no more confusion. Small points, but will make a huge difference. Huge difference, which will cost your job, your opportunity. Now here, if I do it, I cannot play with it. Even when I'm practicing it, even when you practice it, you cannot play with it. One company code I will do this, one company code I will do that. Now you are confused, why like this in two company codes. Am I correct? There are certain things, even when you practice, you should never experiment. For example, in one company code, I create like this. Another company code, when I create it, if I swap it, both are correct only. But do I have clarity why I'm doing it? Unless I'm clear with the concept. Yes, no? Both are correct. If you tell this, this is correct. If you tell this, this is also correct. But if you tell both, you're wrong. Stick to this or stick to this, but don't do both. Because nobody will use it. Your practice is correct, but the way you are practicing, how you are understanding is very, very important.
Hi, Ajay.
Okay.
If first some of the banks, if we create like this 1 and 2 incoming and outgoing, if any newly opened accounts also, we have to follow same standard only, right?
Say
Okay.
only the last digit. It's as simple as like if you take olden days mobile number, if I tell Airtel number, I used to tell 9849.
Yes, yeah, it's
Later on, if
clear.
I tell
Yeah,
different operator, you used to have first 4 digit, which is identifying the operator. It's
correct.
not available now. That's a different story. But we had that logic before.
Yes, we are having initial days.
Now, because of the portability, this is not applicable. The same logic. You put the olden logic of your mobile number, identification based on the first 4 digits or 5 digits.
Yeah.
First 4 digits, right?
Yeah, if any possibility, suppose newly opened account, we can follow this 1 and 2. Outgoing account we will follow 2, and incoming account
No,
2. For so once it's fixed, whatever new opened
it
accounts
is
also we
fixed.
have to follow same only. Yeah.
Same logic. It is as simple as like you are building a house. You placed pillar at one position. That is applicable for first floor. But unfortunately, when you build a second floor or any other top floors, can I change my pillar position?
No, clear.
It has to come from the base, right?
Yes,
It's like
yes.
a pillar. So whatever you create at the beginning, if it is correct, if it is not correct, we like it, we don't like it, we have to live with it. Otherwise, we have to change everything, restart everything. Kind of, you would have heard something called reorganization, restructuring, re-implementation. These things will come into picture when everything is not correct. So that is why everybody will ask experience in your interview. Slowly you're able to connect why people are asking for experience.
Sir, main account means it's a house bank account, right?
No. All are bank accounts only. That is the technical terminology which we will be using only for the purpose of BRS. That's it. All are bank accounts only. But you will
Every
not post any entry directly to the main account. Main account is updated
okay.
only when you do bank verification with bank statement.
And a house bank account will have an ID for it, or how it will be, sir? As you said, it will only contains the bank name and its address, I mean branch address.
Both are together. Both are together. We just split house bank, what information you will update, account ID, what information you will update. When you're talking about a bank account is clearly represent house bank account ID together.
You mean for every account ID, bank, house bank also, I mean, also be there.
For every bank account, house bank account ID is mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. These two are mandatory. Nothing can be blank. For my bank
Okay.
account,
You
house
mean
bank cannot be blank. For my bank account ID also cannot be blank.
okay? If that is the case, house bank and main account ID, house bank and sub account ID, like that is the combination of one account will represent, right?
No. Read the way I wrote it. Don't add anything left, right. Only house bank, only account ID, only main bank, only only main account, only sub account. That's it. No addition to it, no matter what.
Ajay, you mean like for HDFC Bank, there are three GL accounts, main account, incoming and outgoing, and one house bank and one account ID.
Correct. Okay. Now, this one for your sub account, it is clear, right? You'll have to ensure a logic. Either your sub account ending with 1, ending with 2 is referring to what? Incoming or outgoing, freeze at the beginning only. Once you decide it, you cannot change it. Not possible. And next one,
Sir, for any bank one account, I mean, we have created, it contains three GL accounts, right? House bank,
minimum
main account, sub
minimum 3.
account. I mean, sub,
These 3 are
in
mandatory.
sub.
Whatever I'm writing is mandatory. Other than this, there will be additional points which we will see when we are on this particular topic. Okay. Now, when we talk about HDFC Bank incoming account, all incoming payments are recorded in this GL. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Incoming GL.
All your incoming payments are recorded in this GL. Outgoing, all outgoing payments.
Recorded in
Yes.
outgoing GL.
Now, incoming payment means payment we are receiving or payment we are making.
Receiving.
Payment we are receiving.
Receiving.
We are receiving. Whenever you receive money in your bank account, you should always update in GL account ending with 1. Okay, the stars, we will replace it later on when we talk about chart of account. Now, whenever you are making any payment to anybody, you should strictly record your payment in GL account ending with 2.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
GL account ending with 2. Now, let's say I said that I will give you a payment, or let's say that you will make payment. You say that, okay, you are joining my course, and I ask you to make the payment, initial payment.
Hmm.
And whenever I ask you to make the payment, I also ask you to give the screenshot.
Yes.
Because
Yes,
when
sir.
you give the payment, every time I cannot go to bank account verify, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
When I
Yes.
have it, later on I can see, okay, today Mr. A paid me 10,000 rupees. When I get time, I will go verify if the transaction is reflecting in my statement or not, or in my specific application or not, phone pay, Google Pay, whatsoever.
Yeah.
Right? Sometimes it may be possible that you will not make any payment, but you will create a screenshot and then give it to me.
Yes, sir.
There are people also, I received such screenshots also. They don't do any transactions. I received screenshots for 20,000 also. Not, they paid only 1 rupee. How much?
1 rupee.
That 1 rupee screenshot is edited as 20,000 and then they send it to me. Meaning, if I straight away blindly go with it, who is at risk? I am at risk. Yes or no? If
Yeah.
it is not verified, I am at risk or
Yes.
not? Whatever payment I am receiving, am I supposed to verify or not?
You should.
This
Verify.
verification is nothing but reconciliation. In your technical, you call it as BRS. You're not blindly believing it, right? If I tell I paid, then you're asking me, give me the transaction reference number or proof of the payment and all. Once you have this information, you will have, okay, this is my incoming account. Let me look at my incoming statement. There are 10 payments that I received today. I'll download the bank statement. All these 10 payments are received in my bank account or not. Sometimes even when you use your phone pay, Google Pay or any other account to transfer, there is a delay or not.
Yeah.
Not everything is settled immediately. Agree?
Yes.
Sometimes you say that you made money to me, your account is deducted, but my account is not added. Meaning your account is debited, my account is not credited. Possible or not? Anybody experienced?
Yeah.
Yes.
Meaning according to you, your amount is already deducted, but according to me, I did not receive it. Your statement, you are correct. My statement, I am correct. Then who is wrong? You are showing your statement. See, my amount is deducted in my bank. I am also showing my statement. See, your entry not reflecting in my bank account. Technical issues are also possible.
Possible.
Sometimes I will give you a check. Let's say today I will give you a check, and until you deposit the check in your bank account, do you see the amount in your account? You have a check of 10,000 rupees in you now, in your hand. When you will receive that amount
No,
in
it
your bank account? Only when you deposit or when you hold a check in your hand?
When we
we deposit.
deposit.
To
Only when
deposit.
you deposit.
Yeah.
Until you deposit, do you get the cash? Do you get money in your account?
No.
No. Now, when I say or when I give you a check of 10,000 rupees to you, you will say that okay, payment is received or not, or you will tell only after encashing the check payment is received.
After income.
The moment I give you a check, you say that okay, payment is received, or you
No,
will
only
ask
when
me
you
to wait
deposit.
until tomorrow morning, bank is open, I will deposit, you will hold me. No, right? Everything is based on the trust, faith. Yes, no? If you give a check to anybody, do you wait there until they deposit the check, or you will give and then you will leave?
No, until you.
If you give a check to somebody, you will stay there with them until they go to bank, they will deposit in their account. Do you really
No,
do it?
no.
No, sir.
If you give check, it's all done.
Yeah.
Transaction completed. It is up to their responsibility to go deposit the check in their respective bank account, encash it. Is that true?
Yeah.
If funds are not available, check may be bounced, account may not be credited, then you will notify the person, you gave me this check, but there is no balance, check is bounced. Because you will not take a check from a stranger. Am I correct?
Yes.
You're taking a check, you're giving a check to your business partner, either to a vendor or to a customer. In short, who is a known person?
Yeah.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Slowly you'll have to make sure you're connecting the dots. At a time, maybe a little tricky, but when you start connecting one by one dot, you will be able to relate it. Because a similar thing we also do it in our day-to-day life.
Yeah.
Now, once I make any payment or once I receive any payment, am I supposed to enter my payments made, payments received in the main account or in the sub account?
In the sub account, sir.
I have to update all these entries in my sub account, and when I will move these entries from sub account to main account, only when I look at the bank statement.
Yes, sir.
Right, I will look at the bank statement, I will look at my sub account incoming, I will see, okay, incoming these entries are posted in my bank statement, these are appearing, then I will do the reconciliation, I will transfer the amount, I will move the amount, or I will shift the amount from incoming account to main account. Any entry appearing in the main account is nothing but it is verified with bank statement. Is that true?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any entry that is appearing in the main account, it is appearing in the bank statement also. Any account, any amount appearing in bank incoming account, bank outgoing account, it is not yet checked in the bank statement. Am I correct?
Main bank statement.
Bank statement.
Yes, sir.
If
Yeah.
anything is here, it is an indication that this is not tallied with the bank statement. This is not verified with the bank statement yet. When you verify the bank statement, when you find this entry is available, you will shift it from here to here. That is your BRS or bank reconciliation. These key points, whatever we listed, at least you got an idea. Though you are not clear, but at least an idea is there now.
Yeah.
When
Yes.
it comes to payment receipt.
Yes.
So that tomorrow when you talk about any payment, any receipt, because when you start, first thing you need to purchase, second thing you need to sell. When you buy, when you don't pay, anybody will give you any product service?
No, sir.
No.
Whatever you buy, you'll have to settle it, right? You'll have to make the payment. Whatever you're selling, if the person is telling, sorry, I don't have money, can you please give me some product? Will you give charity donation?
No.
You will say, give money, take product. Agree?
Yeah.
Then how they will give money? Either physical money or digital money. Physical
Both.
money cash, digital money bank.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, without cash, without bank, can I do my business transaction?
No.
No.
If I do not know how exactly cash entries are posted in SAP, how exactly bank entries are posted in SAP, can I move forward? Can I
No.
think? Can I assume
No, sir.
anything? Whatever
No.
I think, whatever I assume, everything is wrong only because there is no clarity. I am keep on increasing my question marks as I move forward. Agree?
Yeah.
You need to
Yes,
make
sir.
sure these question marks you reduce wherever possible. Tomorrow when you're looking at the SAP screen, when you're talking about any bank, at that time when we create all these things practically in SAP, all these points will strike your mind or not? Because that time you will do same thing practically. You'll be able to recollect everything. Even if you scroll up the Excel sheet, refer back this recording, you'll have the revision.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Conceptually easy for all of you to understand why we are doing what we are doing, because now nothing in front of you. I'm casually talking, casually writing, but you're able to connect or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is more important. When you're in front of the system practically working on it, you assume your own data. Assume that, okay, I am working for so and so company, my company is in India. In India, can I open Bank of America account?
No.
So, no.
No, right? Meaning if I'm in India, I should know what banks are available in India. In India, can I open, what is that, corporation bank, Grameen bank
Yeah, you
for a
can.
company? Usually companies will do that, or they go with corporate banks majoritarily.
Corporate.
Corporate banks.
Majority they will go with corporate banks, right? Only your government companies will go with government banks. Most of the private sector companies and all, most of their accounts or majority of their accounts with corporate banks like HDFC, Axis, all this kind of thing. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
When you start slowly thinking about it, you will get the points because most of the points we are already aware, at least half. So if I tell that to go, your company is operating a bank account in State Bank of India. Okay, but is my company really have account only in State Bank of India? No, right?
No, sir. No.
If you are a government employee, for sure you will get a government bank account only, State Bank of India. If you are a private sector employee working for Deloitte, Wipro, Infosys, do you think that your company will allow you to go open account with State Bank of India?
No.
No, sir.
No, right? They will have HDFC or different other bank tie-up. The moment you join, on the spot you will get the account number, joining kit, account kit.
Yes, sir.
Because you will have to think practically. Okay, now I'm working for so and so client. If I'm working for a government client, okay, this client will have account with State Bank of India only, or State Bank of any other private public sector bank. If my client is a private sector client or a top MNC and all, they will definitely have bank account with corporate banks only, HDFC, Axis, all this kind of a thing. Now you
Yes, sir.
create in that way. Assume that where is your company, for which country are you practicing, accordingly create it. I am creating company code for Dubai. Can I create ICICI Bank, State Bank of India?
No.
No, sir.
I need to know. Then I'll have to create it. Just like that, I should not do the practice. Connect with what you're doing, meaning whatever you're creating, right from your company name, right from your company code, you should have clarity. Otherwise, there is no meaning we're discussing all this at the beginning. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We're discussing all these points to ensure right from your company name, which you are going to practice, you have a clarity. Otherwise, in this 15 days, we would have completed 20% of your FICO. The objective is to ensure you understand what you're doing right from your first step into SAP. When you log into SAP, you should know how you log into your client SAP system when you get a job. Same way, you have to log into your practice SAP. Till then, I don't open SAP. I will not allow you also to open SAP. If I open, I have no clarity, right? What you are doing. I cannot assume how you are practicing. But only when we do it, when you do it, you know, okay, this is how I need to do it. Otherwise, you have your own imagination, which may be correct, which may not be correct. All right.
So
Go through these points. Go ahead.
you have these two reconciliation accounts, the one and two. If the company is paying to the employees, which reconciliation account they have to use? In the sub
That's
account?
a different account.
Okay.
That's a different account. For salaries, it will be a different account.
Not even the sub account.
Sub account only. Outgoing account. It's a payment for company, right? Company is not receiving. Company is making a payment.
Companies make a payment. So that should be the reconciliation two.
To yes, outgoing account. It will go to outgoing. Okay.
Sir,
So
incoming
Ajay,
bank
can you
account.
share the recordings?
I'll share it. Okay. Those who are having background noise, please go on mute.
And,
Sir,
for
please
old
share
recordings,
interview session recordings also.
Those transcripts you
hello,
will
sir.
receive it today. Maybe in 1 hour, I'll share those transcript of interviews session yesterday in the group.
Sir, list set of, I mean, not only yesterday, the previous ones also, where can we find?
That you will get it.
Sir, Saturday,
Okay.
Sunday is off, sir. Please share it.
All right.
What time is this, sir?
Today we will have interview session at 10:30.
Thank you.
Okay. All
Okay,
right,
when
go
will
through these
evening
points.
sessions be uploaded?
What is that?
When will evening sessions be uploaded? Like you're taking class at 7:30 p.m., right?
Correct.
Yeah. So in my drive, I did not see that in the shared with me option.
No, those are not yet shared, though they will be added to the drive soon.
Okay, please do it soon
Okay,
because we also
initially
have to
not
refer to
required.
that.
Those sessions are initially not required because until you gain clarity on these points, whatever we're discussing, the basics, they'll not be understood. You feel that they're at very, very high level.
Okay, yeah, because
Okay, I
actually
will
I'm
give
already
the
working in a project, so I think that okay, fine.
you'll receive it. Okay, fine. Then go through these points, and then tomorrow we will discuss about the further points, continuation to this. And 10:30 we'll have the interview session. Make sure whoever is free, available can join. All right, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.